Good day. I am Nizel Tonyakaw from BEd 2A, and today I will be explaining or discussing the concept of process oriented performance based assessment and how the rubric that I have crafted is designed to measure it. So, first is the concept. What is the concept? So, first, let us understand what process oriented assessment is. So, in traditional assessment, we often look only at the final output or the result or the product. But in process oriented assessment, we shift our focus to how the student arrive at that output, arrive at that result or that product. And then after that, we are assessing the actual skills, strategies, methods, and behaviors the students display while doing the task. It is also based on the belief that learning happens not just in what you produce, but in the actions, thinking, and decisions you make along the way. So it answers the question: did the student use the correct procedure and develop the right competencies? So, um, in that, we will be able to know what does the students learn throughout the process. And then now for the rubric, let me introduce the rubric that I have created. So as you can see, I choose an analytic rubric because it allows me to break down the performance into specific areas rather than just giving just one score. So here is how it works. So as you can see, in the criteria we have outstanding, competent, developing, and beginning. So on the criteria, first we have the planning and preparation. So in this area, we look at whether the student think before they act. This area measures their ability to organize their thoughts, and it answer the questions: do they have a strategy? So next is the application of skills. So in this area, this is the core of the assessment. So we observe the students if they are executing the steps correctly, accurately, and confidently. So in this area, this shows if they truly understand the procedure. Third on our criteria is the adaptability and problem solving. So in this, here, learning is not always perfect, as we all know. We make mistakes man jud. And then we need to see how they respond when mistakes happen or when challenges arise. So it answers the question: do they give up or do they find a way to fix it? And lastly, for our criteria is the attitude and engagement. So finally, in this area, we assess the students or we assess their work ethic. So um, it also answers the questions: are they focused? Are they responsible? And are they involved in the learning process? So overall, this rubric that I have created is perfect for this type of assessment because it captures the journey of learning or the journey of the learning of the students, how they improve throughout the process. And this rubric also helps us see not just what the student knows, but what the student can do and how they did it.